Hey, what's going on, guys? These I seen these little wire tie things off TikTok, but I order them off Amazon. You get like 100 of them for like $5 and something. They basically supposed to be easier to put on than the other zip ties. I mean, quite frankly, though, I had no problem with the other ones, but these, you know how sometimes you put the wire tie through it, but it's hard to pull the other end. If the hole, you know, it all depends on how the hole line up. But I'm gonna put it up under my bumper right here. A little plastic piece that's hanging. See that right there? Let me see. See if you can see this. Maybe right here. See that right there? I'm gonna pull it up under here and push it through the side. I might have to do the other ones like that eventually. Yeah, it's actually two of them like that. So instead of just pushing it back through the hole, I'm gonna use these wire ties. Let's see how they work out. Yeah, basically this is gonna go through the hole right here, and then the hole at the top. All right, now you see how it went through the hole at the top, and then they go through this right here. Now, if I had a wire tie pulling the other end, it'll be like wide. It won't be as this flush. Now look, just push it all. It's hard to do this one hand, but I'm gonna push it all the way up. See how you just pull it, and it create like a little button. And then the little back thing on there is wide enough for it not to go back through the other end. See? And I got 200 of them, and then especially up under the hood, like when you be taking them little plastic shrouds off and stuff like that, and you lose the little push tabs. These will come in handy. 100 of them for $5. You can't beat it, man. So y'all guys check them out on Amazon. I don't remember the link, but I think this name of this seller on Amazon is King Mall. Yeah, man, and that's the number right there. You can just type in that the order number thing right there. Yep. So just type in that, man, and then y'all try them out. Like I said, 100 of them for $5. I mean, yeah, for $5 you can't beat it. All right, guys, I ain't gonna make this video no longer. I'm out. Later.